Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today's recipe is carrot cake with buttercream frosting. This is something which I made for my mother's birthday because she loves carrot cake. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. So firstly, sift 300 grams of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt, and keep it aside. You can use any flour of your choice. In a bowl, take 200 ml of milk and add 100 grams of jaggery powder. You can use any sugar or sweetener of your choice. Mix this really well so that the sugar is incorporated with the milk. Now add about 100 ml of vegetable oil into this. This can be replaced with melted butter. I'm adding about a teaspoon of vanilla essence to this and stir this really well. I've made flax egg with 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder and 3 tablespoons of water and kept it aside for 15-20 minutes. So I'm adding this to the batter now. So this step is completely optional. Even if you don't put this, your cake will fluff up nicely. I've grated about 2 small size carrots and I'm putting that into it. If you have a bigger size carrot, you can take only one and mix it into the batter. Now add the dry ingredients little by little and fold it in with the help of a spatula. Make sure you don't overmix the batter. If you overmix it, it will lose all the air from inside the batter and the cake won't fluff that nicely. Now pour the batter into a lined baking tray. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees and then bake this for about 40 to 45 minutes. Keep an eye on the cake and check in between if it is done properly. For the buttercream frosting, I've taken about 100 grams of butter over here and I'm gonna beat it with an electrical beater till it fluffs up and becomes double in size. The color should change. It should look something like this. If you keep on beating it for 15-20 minutes, it will change its color. So this is what we are trying to achieve over here. Now I'm gonna add about 50 grams of milk powder to this and then beat it again. And then I'm gonna also add about 75 grams of ground brown sugar. So keep whisking it and side by side keep on adding the sugar. That is how you do it. If you don't have milk powder, you can replace that amount with sugar. So you can use about 125 grams of ground sugar. Also you can use caster sugar if you have. That works really well. Keep on blending it until everything is incorporated well. I'm also gonna add about a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to this to enhance the whole buttercream flavor. So this is the consistency which we want, guys. So make sure you add the buttercream frosting to the cake only when it is completely cooled down. Otherwise the buttercream will start melting onto the cake. I'm adding it to the bottom layer first and then I'm gonna top it up with the top layer and then add some more buttercream onto it. You can decorate it in any which way you like. This is how I am doing it and it's ready, guys. Look how pretty is that. Let me know in the comments below. How do you like this recipe? Do not forget to tag me on Instagram. Like, share and subscribe to my channel The Chubby Chick. Also check out other healthy recipes on my channel. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.